What used to take a week across 3 different vendors now happens while you pour a single cup of coffee. Welcome to Phase 2. We start by setting the mood for the background track, briefing the music engine before the generation even begins. Then the pipeline takes over. Watch as the entire visual grid generates in parallel, one bespoke image per scene, perfectly mapped and instantly delivered. No waiting for sequential renders, just a complete visual deck appearing at once. But it doesn't stop at visuals. The narration lands right beside them, perfectly timed to your script. Every audio beat is generated and synced in the exact same pass. This is the complete asset set, fully populated on one page. You never touched an external AI account, and there are no manual approval gates to slow you down. The pipeline simply carries on to direction. Image models, text-to-speech, and music generation are all handled behind the scenes, on one bill, in one place. Stop managing vendors and start directing your content. Start free at studiocut.video.